Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen while loop, okay, and now we are done with loops. So in today's video we are going to see function, and functions are a block of code which will run when we call that particular function, and we can also pass multiple parameters, okay, into the function, and it will return the output as a result. Okay, functions can be created using def keyword. Okay, def, then function name, I will say my underscore func. Okay, parenthesis, and here I will say colon, and I will just print hello I am in function. And here I will write one more statement, hello I am out of function. Okay, now if I run this, then you can see I am out of function. Why? Because we haven't called this function yet, so it is not going to run. So if I call this function after this print statement, then this will be printed first and this statement will be printed last. So if I say I need to write function name my func and parenthesis. Now we called this function, okay, so it will run it. You can see I am out of function and I am hello I am in function. Okay, so I hope you got the idea like how we can call the function. Now if I create one more function, let's say def my underscore func 2. Okay, now I will just print hello I am second function, hello I am first function. I will write over here that, okay, I will say first. Okay, now if I call my func 2, then see, okay, it says hello I am out of function, hello I am first function, hello I am second function. So what if I do this, I will call this function before the first function. What it will happen, then it is going to call accordingly like this. So okay, so second function will be called first. So let's open this file in Thorny and understand the process. Okay, I have opened this file. Now I will just click on debug. Okay, we got first function, second function, print statement, it will just print it. Okay, we got second function, so it will go to the function which is my func underscore 2 and run that. You can see we got this result. Okay, then we have my func only, so it will go to my func function and it will just print it. Okay, so this is the basic process of creating function and calling them, right? I hope you got this idea. So I'll come back to VS Code. So let's see argument in a function. So let's say I want to pass message outside of the function. So what I can do over here is like I can just give any variable name. Here I will give um, let's say a variable. Okay, and here I will give b variable. So I'll just remove these statements from the function, and here I'll just print a and I'll just print b. Oops, b. Okay, now if I want to pass any argument, then I need to write any that particular value in this function. So here I want to pass hello world. Okay, and here I want to pass hello first function. Okay, now why I have wrote variables over here? Because it is not going to accept your values if you don't pass variable. So here it is going to do is like, if first it will call the function, and whatever value you have wrote over here, which it will be allocated to this a variable. And after this a variable, after we write a variable over here, we can write that particular variable in print statement, and by this way we can pass the value, pass the parameter. This is basically known as passing the parameters in a function. Okay, argument or a parameter, we can say argument, like, okay, we are passing argument to the function. So if I run this, I let me clear the terminal. So you can see, hello, I am out of the function. I will just remove this. I don't want to print that statement again and again. Then it is saying hello world. Okay, so hello world, and it is saying hello first function. Okay, so let's see this same process using Thorny. Okay, I'll just debug. It showed first function, second function. Okay, you can see it will print hello world, and it will print first function. Okay, so this is very basic. So this way we have seen how we can pass argument in a function, and we can also use parameter word if you like. Both are same. Now let's say I want to pass two argument in a single function. So here I am going to pass two arguments. Before, I need to pass number of variables. Like if I am passing two argument, then I need to pass two variables in this parameter. Okay, so here I am going to pass name, age, hobby. Not hobby, name and age is fine. Okay, and here I will say my name is plus name variable plus and my and I am plus h year old. Okay, this will be for first person, and this same parameter will be for second function, and I will just print the same thing over here. Oops. Okay, now I will just remove this hello world, and I will also remove this hello first function. Now here I can pass Yash Patel, and after comma I can pass my age, which is 23, right? I, ca I can pass as an integer only, no matter. And here I will say Manav, and I will pass his age 21. So if I run this, let me, okay, I got error. Okay, string and integer again cannot be concatenated. I will just make this as string only. Okay, and clear the terminal, run it again. Let's wrap this in a str function. Now it should work. Okay, this comma should not be here. Okay, we can remove this str function. So I'm removing it. Okay, clearing the terminal and run again. You can see my name is Yash Patel and I am 23-year-old. My name is Manav and I am 21-year-old. I need to do space over here. Okay, now it is looking fine. Okay, so we have seen how we can pass multiple arguments. Okay, okay. Now let's say we don't know how much argument will be passed in a function. I'm just commenting this out. Okay, we are starting whole new concept. Now let's say I don't know how many argument will be passed in my function. So here I am just making one function. So here I will say def. Okay, and I will say details, and I will just print it. And my name is comma name, and I will pass that name over here. Now I am calling the function def, not def, sorry, details, and I am passing multiple names, Yash, comma Parth, comma Manav, comma Dhruv. Okay, so we have wrote multiple names. Now we don't know how many parameters we are going to pass, so we can write star over here. So this star will take care of everything. So this is you know basically arg method. Okay, args like multiple argument. Okay, star multiple arguments. So you can see now this is receiving a tuple, basically tuple. So if I print type of the name variable, then it is going to show you tuple. Okay, so since we have got tuple, we can just perform indexing method. So let's say I want Manav, so I can just write 3 over here. Okay, so oops, sorry, 1 2 3, sorry, 0 1 and 2, I can write 2 over here. Okay, 2, and this will print Manav. My name is Manav, right? Right. So by this way you can pass multiple arguments. Like you can perform this method only if you don't know how many argument is going to pass. Okay, there can be thousands of argument also. Okay, but you should perform like this way. It is not good like passing thousands of variables in a single function. Okay, that is not good practice. So you can do something like this. Okay, now let's say you don't know how many keyword argument is going to be passed in your function. Now what is keyword argument? Like, let's discuss that too. Okay, I will just say function again, details 2, and print, oops, print, and I can say my first name is comma f underscore name. Okay, or let's say plus and plus my and my last name is plus l underscore name. So see, you can see I got this error, like I don't know how many keyword argument is going to be passed, right? So here I can just do something like this. I can do double star and say name. Okay, now Here I will just pass that keyword arguments like details to, okay, and here I can write f underscore name equals to Yash, okay, comma, and here I can write L underscore name equals to Patel, okay. Using name we can fetch this first name and last name like this, like I will say, you know, name, and inside which I can just pass this in a string. I can do name and L name, okay. Now if I run this function, then you can see my first name is Yash and my last name is Patel, okay. So this is known as keyword argument, and we pronounce this as quarks, okay. So keyword argument can be represented by double star, okay. Now you can have, you know, for loop, if loop, while loop, any loop in this function. Let me copy any yeah, I can do this, okay. I have copied this loop, while loop, okay. Now if I just remove this and remove this value from this, okay, and run this, then you can see it executed and got same result, okay. So by this function is just a block of code, okay, nothing else, and you can perform anything in a function you want, okay. So this is the function, and let's see return, okay, return keyword. So I'll just remove this, and here I'll, you know, write return keyword, and I will say 10 into num, and I will say num over here. So here I will say print, and I will say details 2, and since I have wrote num over here, I need to pass any number, so I will say 30, I mean 3, so output will be 30, okay. So if I run this, then you can see I got 30. So if I pass static value like 2 and don't pass anything over here, and I want to see the result which this function is returning, then I can just write the function name, okay. I forgot to remove the variable from here. You can see I got 20, okay. So this return also works something like this, okay. Now we have pass keyword, okay, pass. So what does this pass do? Like pass will basically ignore all the errors, okay, and give you whatever output it comes, okay. If output will be error, then it is not going to show you anything, okay. You can see it just shown none, okay. So because this function is not doing any operations, okay. So this is pass keyword, and we also seen return keyword, right? So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and in next video we are going to see classes and objects, okay. So I will see you in next one. Thank you.